Hey everyone, welcome to yesterday's project. I'm working on a Jeep Cherokee and I've got a noise on coast. So I'm trying to track down the noise on this Cherokee. Typically something like this, I might put it up on a lift, drive it and use like a stethoscope, something like that. But I don't have a lift, and so I wound up picking up these things, chassis ears. And so here it is. I've already tested this out. I'm quite impressed with how well it works, but I'll do a little demo here. Pretty basic little setup. It's got this control box, set of headphones, and there's 6 channels. And these cords have, I don't know exactly how much, probably about 10-foot lead on them. And you just clamp them on the component. So this, I've got a noise. It kind of sounds like a rear axle, but I want to be sure because it kind of reverberates through the unibody and underneath. So I'm going to clip one on the rear axle, one on the transfer case, one on the body, and then one on like the transmission, because it could also be, because it does it during coast, there could be like an overrunning clutch or something in the transmission that's causing the noise. It's pretty pronounced and it kind of echoes throughout the whole vehicle. So I'm going to hook this thing up and I'll do a quick demo on how these chassis ears work. And this was, I'll put a link to them in the description, but I ordered it directly from the company, and the pricing was very reasonable, I felt. So I've got the cables here ran, and I've got one on the rear axle, one up on the transfer case, one on the transmission. Okay, so I've got 3 hooked up here. And they're color coded, so red, green, and white. And what I did for ease is I just made the red one furthest back, so that's axle, and then the green is the transfer case, and the white is the transmission. And they're all hardwired, and so you could see the things were underneath, and it comes with zip ties and these Velcro straps. They do make a model where they're cordless. I like this because I don't have to worry about the batteries. It really doesn't take that long to just run the cabling. And this model was pretty inexpensive. So, and then I've got the headphones, so we're just gonna go for a ride, and I'll switch it through the channels and show you how this thing works. Okay, so I got my chassis ears. I think it's gonna be really hard to hear this, but I can switch it through the different channels. And I've got kind of under coast. And it probably didn't really come through, but you can hear when I have the ears on my head. From the, when I put it on the channel where the rear axle is, I can hear like a under coast, and when I put it on the other channels, it goes away, and it just under coast just sounds normal or the same. So I did wind up pulling the cover on the rear diff, and the rear diff, the fluid is toasted, and the gears look pretty sharpened and pretty rough. So I'm going to wind up putting a differential in this, but this helped me diagnose it, and it's hard to pick up the sound in the video, but it's really quite clear through the headphones, and I was quite impressed with how well this worked. So that's the chassis ears. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if this helped you out.